Are you down with it?
Good day, I am Giselle Timbar from grade 11 Honesty. Today, I will present to you the process of handling of taking table reservation. Please enjoy yourself as you watch the whole video. Thank you. Good day, thank you for calling Ate J Restaurant. This is Giselle speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation.
Sure, ma'am. A table for how many?
A table for 2 persons.
Okay, ma'am. May I know who's on the line, please?
My name is Rian Jane Lorena.
Okay, ma'am. May I ask if this is correct? R for Romeo, H for Hotel, E for Echo, A for Alpha, N for November, L for Lima, O for Oscar, R for Romeo, E for Echo, N for November, and A for Alpha.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, ma'am. May I know when and what time?
Tomorrow at 7 in the evening.
Okay, hold on, ma'am. I will just check if we still have an available table on that time. Thank you for waiting, ma'am. I'm glad to tell you that we still have an available table for your preferred date and time. Ma'am, let me know what is your preferred area.
Question. I prefer a non-smoking area.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have still any requests or concerns you want us to consider?
No more.
May I please get your contact details, ma'am?
0911822334.
Contact number is 09111-822-334. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Let me repeat your details. For Miss Lorena, table reservation for 2 persons tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the evening and prefer a non-smoking area. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you for calling. We will expect you tomorrow in the evening. Have a nice day.